our mobile food vending cart with griddle and 6 warmers. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of at least 66¼ inches, a depth of 26¾ inches. Height with wheels and legs, we have 39 inches, and without the wheels and legs, we have at least 12 inches. Included will be 6 pans, along with a lighter. Each pan measures at least 7 inches in length and 12¾ inches in depth, and 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for the rest of the 5 warmers, and again, you get a total of 6. 4 separate switches for each burner underneath, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 burners controlling the warmers along with the griddle. Coming to the side will be a waste tray, and the measurements for the griddle flat top, we have at least 19¾ inches in depth, by 36 inches in length. That's the actual measurement for the griddle minus the lip beneath for the runoff and the waste. The measurement for the runoff, we have at least 2½ inches in depth and a length of 36 inches. Coming to the side here will be a connection for gas. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.